Introduce highlight features or overview summary for QUEYAAM Chimney Cap, 12-inch stainless steel, cone-top chimney cap with screen. Highlight features or overview summary are include 304 stainless steel material. 12-inch chimney cap upgraded with 304 stainless steel. 12 chimney cap is more stable and durable than most galvanized steel options on the market, no need to worry about rust or damage. Chimney cover toughness and the clamping seal ensure years of use, providing long-term value. Customizable fit. Roof vent cap equipped with an adjustable clamp valve. The round chimney cap's bottom diameter can be adjusted within a range of 1 cm or 0.4 inches, to fit flue pipe sizes from 11.9 to 12.3 inches. It securely fits your chimney, preventing it from being blown away by strong winds, offering a tailored solution for your specific chimney needs. Enhanced protection and combustion. Round chimney cap with extra-large conical top effectively prevents rain and snow from entering the chimney, solving issues of dampness, mold, and corrosion. The thicker and denser mesh keeps birds, insects, animals, and leaves from entering your home. Universal compatibility. Chimney caps designed for versatility. Our stainless steel rain cap is suitable for various heating setups, including oil, wood-burning stoves, and outdoor mud stoves. The mesh design optimizes chimney combustion and ensures smooth smoke evacuation, providing a smoke-free heating environment that meets all your warming needs. Easy installation. Stovepipe is cleverly designed for easy one-person installation. It can be simply tightened without the need for crimping tools, saving you time and effort. Stovepipe includes a pair of good assembly gloves to prevent scratches. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.